Don't look down upon boosters. We are more skilled than professional players. I've boosted more than a dozen accounts this year, but I'm still on the ranking list of top players. The game is called Galaxy. It's an immersive holographic game with over 100 million players online at the same time. As one of the first batch of players after its service went online, I've been playing the game for more than a dozen years. Phew! I can even tell you the position of every brick. Let me see the next order. Boosting a new account, this one is easy.
$155 has been credited to your account.
It's time to work. I want a normal start for the new character. See you in the main city. Before that moment, I thought my boring life would go on uneventfully.
The sample is confirmed alive.
Is that the alarm? Is it the smell of scorched plastic? Oh, my head hurts badly. Huh? Where am I? Web novel comics, never so easy.